Transport and communication. Student, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the different means of transportation. Human beings need to go about from one place to another. Transport is a means of travel and of carrying people or goods from one place to another by road, rail, air or water. In ancient times, people used animals for transport. With the invention of wheels, carts were developed to move around. We use buses, cars, scooters, trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. for faster transportation. Better means of transport have brought people closer together. We use different types of transport depending on the distance, weight, and cost of the things to be transported. Roadways. Our country has a large network of roads connecting different places. Pakka or metalled road are strong. Kacha or non-metalled road are not so strong. It is difficult to travel on these roads, especially in rainy seasons. Roads connecting towns and cities are called highways. National highways connect important cities, capitals, and towns all over the country. Within a state, important towns and cities are linked by state highways. In mountainous regions, tunnels are dug through hills to make roads. Bridges are constructed across rivers. Roads are important as they help in transporting food grains, fruits, and vegetables, etc. from one place to another. An advantage that roads have over other means of transport is that goods can be taken up to the final point of delivery. Railways. Railways are the lifeline of our country. They are the cheapest means of long-distance travel and connect almost all towns and cities of India. Indian Railways are one of the largest railway networks in the world. The first railway line was built by the Britishers in 1853, connecting Bombay, Mumbai to Thane. Electric and diesel engines have now replaced steam engines. There are two main kinds of trains: passenger trains and goods trains. Today, local trains in big cities carry millions of people daily to the work. The metro railway system has been introduced in Kolkata and Delhi. Waterways. India has a large number of rivers and water bodies. Ships, boats, steamers, and ferries are used for water transport. Waterways are suitable for transporting heavy and bulky goods by cargo ships. Passenger ships carry people. Petroleum, oil, etc. are carried by tanker ships from one country to another. Some important ports in India are Kandla, Mumbai, Marmgaon, Kochi, Mangalore, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam and Kolkata, that is Haldia. Airways. The quickest way of travel is by air. Aeroplanes are used to transport people, food and other perishable items. They also carry mail. Airlines are of two types: international and domestic. International airways generally carried people from one country to other. Domestic airlines. Domestic airlines carry people and things within the country. All major cities in India are connected by air. Some important airlines in India are Air India and Indian Airlines, domestic. Some other private domestic airlines such as Kingfisher, Jet, Indigo, etc. Communication. Communication is the effective way of sharing thoughts and ideas. There are many means of communication. The postal system is the most important means of communication. Letters, telegrams, money orders, parcels, etc. are sent from the post offices to various parts of the country. The speed post and the courier system are faster than the ordinary post. A telegram is sent to convey an urgent message. Telephones and mobile. Quickest means of communication is the phones through which we can talk with the people anywhere in the world. Fax is a system by which a message written on paper is reproduced exactly in the same way on other paper at the receiver's end. Internet and the World Wide Web is an international computer network through which the people can send messages across the world in a few seconds by email. The medium of mass communication are the newspapers, magazines, radio and television network. Newspapers reach a wide number of people and give information on events all over the world. It is cheap and available in most languages. Radio and television communicate with a large number of people. Our government uses radio and television to educate people and create awareness. Summary. Modes of transport are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Towns and cities are connected by roads called highways. Airways are the fastest means of transportation. Telephone is the fastest means of communication. That is all in this lesson. Learning is fun.